Hey everyone, it's Claire, and today I'm going to be doing an unboxing for a Jewelry company, which is the BeeKind Jewelery. So I'm super excited about this, and the packaging is just amazing. So as you can see here, it actually comes with its own adorable little logo here. And then inside is all of the jewelry. So they sent me this jewelry for free to review, and you can see the cute little box here. It says especially for you. It has a sunflower on it. And inside we have this adorable little sunflower necklace. So this is the first item, and I'm gonna just try this on. It's really well made. Everything is so well made and so cute. And you can see here the packaging. So packaging is amazing. On the other side, it even says thank you. So they're going above and beyond with their packaging. I can tell you that much right now. So if you want a good experience with like packaging, this is exactly the company that you want to work with. So now I'm taking that sticker off here, and the necklace itself is in this little pouch. So wow, I think this is actually an anklet. So let me go ahead and put this anklet on. So that is the anklet. And you can see that there is a little option here if you want it to be smaller. So now I'll go ahead and I will share with you the other items. So here we have another super cute box, and inside it I actually am wearing the earrings already. I put them on before the unboxing just because I thought they were super cute. These are sunflower earrings. They're really good quality. They feel really sturdy and they feel really just like good quality. So everything in this company is super good quality. I really like the way that these look. I've always loved sunflowers, and that's why I'm wearing yellow today. And again, they have a cute little box, and it's really, really well packaged. Before I put out the third item, let me go ahead and tell you guys about this company. So here they also gave a full little package. You guys, this company is so sweet. They gave all of these stickers included. So here we have a cute little bee. We have a BeeKind sticker. We have sunflowers. And we have you're amazing. So they're doing positive affirmations. And they also have a be happy. So honestly, they are going above and beyond with their packaging and with their message, you know, offering stickers to their customers. And here we have their about section. So I'm going to show you guys the third the pair of bracelets after I read this. So it says, we would like to reach out and thank you for your order from BeeKind Shop. It says a portion of your purchase was contributed towards saving bees and helping them develop colonies safely. So guess what that means is they are supporting bees, which is really amazing because bees are pollinating the flowers, and that helps, as they pollinate, that helps grow nature and abundance and helps, you know, with the thriving of the world. So why not support the bees? And it says, we hope that our products will not only put a smile on your face, but also remind you about the good cause that you are now part of. So you can feel really good being part of the BeeKind family and supporting bees. So then they offer here, they offer 20% off of your next order, which I am going to offer you guys as well. So you guys will get the code, and that's going to give you 20% off of your next purchase, however much you want to purchase. And so yeah, that is that. So that's the company. And then the third item here, it's getting a little cold, so I'm trying to stay warm. Here's the third item. Look how cute with all the sunflowers. It's so cute. I love their packaging. And you open them up like this. And here we go. You guys have them here. So it says, no matter where we go, no matter what we do, you'll always be there for me, and I'll always be there for you. and it says one for you and one for me. So here we go. These are the two super cute bracelets. On the back, you can see that they are adjustable. And so yeah, these are meant to be adjustable friendship bracelets. So you give one to your friend, one for you, or a loved one and yourself. And so this is how they open up. As you can see, they're very flexible. I'm just gonna put one on just to see what it looks like. I haven't actually put one on yet. And that is super cute. So you can give one to your friend or your mom or your loved one. And my outfit is complete now, so I think these are super cute. Yeah, that is the company itself. It's amazing, good quality. Everything that I got is super cute and it's affordable. And also when you do decide to go in and shop, there is that discount code for you, which I'm linking below. And I also have it right here. And they also ship super quick. So if you're interested in a quick gift, it comes in. Mine came in within a couple days after I requested the items that I was going to receive. And so you guys will probably get your items within a couple of short days. So I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Feel free to let me know if you have any questions. Okay? Bye.